Hello, it's Sierra with WTI, and if this is what it looks like when you're trying to sleep, I am so sorry. But do not worry, because hope is not lost, because I found Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Lavender Vanilla Pillow Mist. Let me tell you right off the bat, the smell is amazing. The combination of the lavender and the vanilla creates a soothing and calming aroma that instantly puts me in a relaxed mood. I've been using this pillow mist as a part of my bedtime routine, and I can genuinely say that it has made a noticeable difference in my quality of sleep. You just mist it lightly on your pillow. It doesn't leave any residue, and I think my stuffed animals like it too. And the fragrance lingers throughout the whole night. It's not overpowering, just a gentle, pleasant scent that helps me drift off right to sleep. And fun fact, your body recognizes the patterns of smells. So if you smell something every time you do something, like get into bed, for instance, your body will say, "Ooh, I know this smell, time to get sleepy." And that is why I'm absolutely obsessed with this Bath & Body Works pillow mist. But hey, that's just my point of view.